Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Cloudflare CDN for faster Shopify loading step by step clearly. To enable Cloudflare CDN for your Shopify store, begin by creating a Cloudflare account if you don't have one already. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Once logged in, click on Add a Site. Enter your Shopify store's domain name and click Add Site. Select a plan that suits your needs. The free plan is often sufficient for smaller stores. After selecting a plan, click Confirm Plan. Cloudflare will then scan your DNS records. Review the DNS records and ensure they match those in your Shopify admin. Once verified, click Continue. Now, Cloudflare will provide you with 2 name servers. Keep this page open, as you will need to update your domain's name servers. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Find the section for managing DNS or name server settings. Replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. After updating the name servers, return to Cloudflare and click Done. Check name servers. It may take some time for the name server changes to propagate through the internet. Once propagation is confirmed, go back to Cloudflare's dashboard. Click on the SSL/TLS tab and choose the SSL option that best fits your store. The flexible option is generally recommended for Shopify. Next, navigate to the Caching tab in the Cloudflare dashboard. Set the caching level to standard for optimal performance. Now, head to the Speed tab and ensure that Auto Minify is enabled for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Under the Optimization section, enable Brightly for compression. Finally, go to the Firewall tab and set up any necessary rules to protect your store. Cloudflare should now be successfully configured for your Shopify store. Visit your website to ensure everything is functioning properly and enjoy faster loading times. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable 2-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.